The atoning power of Jesus Christ to forgive. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Sit in a comfortable position and notice your body beginning to relax. Continue to take in deep, slow, steady breaths in and out. Notice how your body is feeling. Notice any discomfort there. Allow your mind to explore the discomfort. Are there any destructive thoughts or emotions there that would interfere with forgiveness? Notice them. Notice how those thoughts and feelings sit in the body. Do they have a color, a shape, a size, a smell? Do you like those feelings there? Are you comfortable with those thoughts and feelings? Is there room for you to allow your body, mind, and spirit to release some of those destructive thoughts and emotions at this moment? Notice why or why not. Notice this while you go through this journey. No judgment. Let your body release what it's ready to release. It is not required to release more than it is able to right now. Keep breathing in and out. You are finding the strength and courage to forgive through the atoning power of Jesus Christ. You recognize that the Savior loves those who have hurt you, and the atonement is available for them as well. Notice the sensations coming up in your body. Some sensations may be shallow, some may be old and deep. Notice particularly the sensations around and within your heart. Notice you are being released from the sin and weight of your warring, heavy, and wounded heart. Notice you can now choose to replace the hurt and anger with His healing balm. It is full of His understanding, compassion, and love. Notice through the atonement of Jesus Christ, you can begin to feel some of the crevices of your wounds begin to heal and lighten. As you notice and listen, you are receiving the strength, power, humility, and guidance to forgive, as well as to be forgiven. You are better able to be vulnerable, courageous, and to trust in the Savior's divine power to heal. You are learning to recognize unhealthy patterns from the past, and that the Savior is helping you to break those patterns. Jesus Christ is now helping you purge your heart, mind, and soul from the poison of anger, hate, resentment, and other emotions that keep you from feeling peace. Notice you are learning to offer the love of God to those who only show fear and hate. You have and will continue to receive blessings that help compensate for the hurts you have received from this mortal life. The Savior has the power to make something good out of your hurtful experiences as you allow that healing balm into your wounds. Notice the Savior will provide the sustenance you need as you move forward, letting go of any fear connected to releasing any hurts and resentments. Notice you are learning that forgiveness does not mean to continue allowing abuse to happen or to put yourself in a place to be abused again. You are gaining the awareness, strength, and guidance to set appropriate and loving boundaries, even with someone you have already forgiven. Notice through the atonement, you will continue to heal and be made whole. With the Savior, your heart will continue its own journey toward healing, at its own pace without judgment or unrealistic expectations of timing. Notice you are now accepting the divine healing offered by the Savior into your body. Allow this healing light to enter all the dark, wounded, and hidden spaces of pain. He knows and understands them all. Feel the power of His healing light as it moves through your body, mind, and spirit. Allow all the time that is needed to complete this healing process. You know that when you are ready to release more and to allow the healing power of the atonement into your life, the Savior Jesus Christ is always there to help, comfort, guide, lift, and heal. Take a deep breath in and out. Open your eyes. Reorient yourself to the environment around you and smile, knowing you are blessed with a fountain of healing through the Savior's atoning power.